Zurita. What's that name again? Rose. Okay, she's a mass comm undergraduate of Unilag, currently on IT, shares an apartment with two other ladies on Wariga Road. Okay. So is it that you want to target students? Because this is like a typical representation. Are you targeting students?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just
Female
assume.
students.
Okay, awesome. So maybe you have kind of packs for those things, right? Maybe
Yeah.
there's a pack for students. Awesome. So we are typing in students then. Student. So why I don't want us to type in just any students. Let's see whether we can have Unilag students. Unilag. University of Lagos. Interesting. University. A lot of thinking goes into this. University of Lagos. Remember what I said about our interest? No? If we can't find University of Lagos as detail, but maybe we'll just follow it as interest. So which other Nigerian university do we Lagos University do we have? Because do you understand what I'm
Last
doing?
two.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
All right. So that's what Lagos State. Lagos what?
Lagos State University.
It's not University of Lagos. Lagos. It's university. Lagos State University. It's not there. Let me see that I can type last. Ah, your school is not popular. I mean, the last one is not popular. What else? What else can we put?
There's Yabatek, I guess. Yes,
Okay,
there's Yabatek.
so the good thing about this thing now, I just trust my mind. That the good thing about this thing is that since we are in Lagos, we do not take our ads out of Lagos, so we can put general students. Do you understand? So it won't take it to
Yes.
students outside of Lagos. Do you understand? So that's the good. So
Yes.
Lagos that we put, and all of those places we put have restricted this thing a little. So don't always forget that, so that you will not think you are targeting a different people and then you don't know that you are restricting it already. So let's just type students, students, interest. No. Let's do minus. Yeah. So you see what I'm looking at? I'm also looking at this column. Can you see the column where you have interest and job titles and the likes, right? So me
Yeah.
saying each student is not interest. I want the one that has to do with that. That's what the person feels as probably job title or something. We might have to, since we can't find that, we might have to do student union and then student as interest, right? So you can come here and even click suggestion. See, can you see? Can you see the suggestion? So sometimes I just fill in certain key stuffs in what I want, and then before Facebook gives me options. So in high school, can you see? Can you
Yeah.
see? Yeah, so we can click this. You can. So you see, we've gotten university interest in some high school educational level. This educational level works better. That shows where they are, what level in schooling they are. High school grad. Interest in learning. Take this up a little. So another thing too, I always add when I'm doing online this thing is I put engage shoppers. See his behavior. So Facebook have picked out people who buy stuffs online. So you get probably with keywords like okay, send it in, I've paid you. All of those kind of keywords that shows that somebody have made order, right? So you want to put it. what's happening? Okay, our stuff is here. Okay, so this is our suggestion, right? So a fashion accessories, they might be interesting. See, we got those hair things, follow, but you just have to pick things that relate to what you are doing. I think we should be. I'm done with this part. Already. Save time. So just keep picking things. Once you pick maybe like three or four, you should check suggestions. Facebook gives some amazing ideas. So there's a place of exclude audience and narrow audience, right? Narrow audience means, for instance, I want to target people who are in a particular department inside a particular school. So let's say I put Harvard on this first one I just did. Everything here is or, it's not and, it's or. What it means is people in high school send my ad to them. People in summer school send my ad to them. Students send my ad to them. That's this one or this one or this one or this one. It's not and. Do you understand? You will get that
Yeah.
analogy. So it's all people who have this, or people who have this, or people who have this. So you can say this one have 10 and this one have 15. That's 25. This one have 10. That's 35. Do you understand? So it's all. But then when you add this narrow audience feature, it becomes and. So it becomes people, student in University of Lagos and people, somebody that is interested in University of Lagos, and also it narrows it down. Let me click on the ad. So that means this plus the person must have this feature, that is University of Lagos, and also maybe a graduate. So that's people who must have left. You guys, Olamide.
Can you go over it again?
Okay. So
We're here.
I explained that this first one I was doing was or. So we are saying Folashade Street or people in this one street. So it's adding everything. Okay. If I go here, I should run my ads to them. If I go to this place, I should run my ads to them also. If I go to this place, I should add to them also. So it's also, that means it's or. That means all of them inclusive. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The reason I want my ads shown to somebody in street and has another attribute, which is the particular thing you will now add here. Do you understand?
Yes.
So let's say we have students, university and University of Lagos. That's all we put here. Forget other things that are up, just these three. So they are now coming and say, biology, field of study. So I'm saying, send my ad to people who are students, university, and went to University of Lagos. But inside all of these people, their field of study must be chemical biology. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
I need a response, please.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Have you started eating the food? I think you started to wait after. So this is and. So this that has this feature and these are the food. So they must qualify on these grounds and this ground for your ad to be shown to them. That's for the narrow. I have to use that. So let me close this. So we are not doing narrow audience now, but I just felt I should let you guys know about it. So like I said, that's where the serious work is. All of those plays. These ones are just kind of things that you might always keep doing. So I say we should not do and try and distinguish. Don't run Facebook and Instagram at the same time. For that same reason I mentioned, Facebook wants to give you results. So it might end up sending your ad to people who are under Facebook only. So we'll remove 1, 2, 3 and run on Instagram only. You have an Instagram page, Olamide.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we are running our ads only. So we have link clicks. Oh, my PC is getting low. So we have link clicks. That other day I said we could do landing page views. I think this works for me. Like people who we so it's this thing what's criteria Facebook used to position your ads as well. So they will position the people who are likely to click or people who are likely to get to the landing page itself. They will not just click and cancel. So for this reason, we want them to get to the landing page and check your other styles. So click landing page views. What we call landing page is where your ads are taking people to. That's where they are landing on. So they're landing to the website, they're landing to your Instagram page, they're landing to a sign up form and the likes like that. So we've selected all of those. This one is not necessary. Can you see this is optional, cost control. So that's all. We are done with that. So we'll go to next. Guys, are we good? Are we enjoying this?
Very
I
interesting
think I think it's
so
a
far.
lot, but I'll still have to go back and learn it again.
Yes, please. You all have to. It took me a long time too. So I'm glad you're enjoying it. So let's go ahead and name this ad name. So ad is the ad set, the copy. So you might want to call it, we started with Valentine, so you can say call it Valentine design. That's the name of the copy, right? Like the ad. When I say ad, I'm talking about your poster, or your signboard, or your whatever. So don't always forget. Let me go back. I forgot to show you guys something here. So you can see while we were adding all of those things, we were adding young this thing, school, education. This thing was moving. Come on, let me show you guys. I don't want to give you guys any. The reason for this Zoom call is not to give you any off-head this thing. So what do we add? What should we add? Maybe say it's hair products. I've not even
Yeah.
added that keyword. So let me type here and see what idea people that are interested. See, want to add, see, show me people who are interested in human hair color or woman hair condition or makeup care. Hey, somebody's this is making noise in my ear. Okay, it's done. Human hair color. So you see why you click that this started exactly. So you see 440,000 possible reach, right? Can we see that? Look at it here. Can we see that
Oh.
440,000 reach? Let's add. Come on, my PC just. Yeah, I have to be fast now. So while you are adding things here, you'll be seeing this thing will be going and always look out for that error message you saw that time. You remember, guys? So that you know whether your ads will run or not. So this one is already showing us error, and I know why it's showing us error. So you've added this ad name. You come here and pick your Facebook page. I have it. I mean, admin in a couple of because I run those pages. That's why you're seeing a lot of this. So you pick one of them. So let me leave it at what is there, and then the Instagram account as well. Then this is create ad. So you have to create the ad setup. Use existing post. You want to use an existing post on your Instagram or Facebook page, you can click that and it will give you options. So you want to use a single image or video. Carousel. That carousel ads are kind of those ads where you see that you now see something and then you want to just swipe, you see another thing, swipe, you see another thing, so you can decide. So you just come here and start filling all of this. Come on, come on. These guys, let me quickly turn on my. Guys, give me a minute. Let me. My PC is off. Is almost going off. Let me power it.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
we're here.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. My PC was about to go off, and then I didn't want to take chances. Um. Okay. So and I don't want to rush you guys. Mm, Here we are talking about single images. So if you pick up single images, if you have a video, you could use this same place to put that up, right? So we'll just come here and do add media. Once you do add media, you can add the image here. So let me just say add image. I don't want to. So these are a couple of images I have. Let's say we're doing, let me just use this for example, right? So confirm, continue. So the good thing here is once you are doing this, it starts giving you preview here, right? Don't forget to keep an eye on this error message. It tells you a reason why your ad may not run or will not run. And then another thing I also want to say here is there's a policy on Facebook ads. Images has to be more than text. So don't, when you are doing designs or you contract it, I don't know, or you do it yourself and you have too much words, you see the thing will start telling you your ads may not run. Hmm? So you want to watch out for that. So you can put that here. We've uploaded our image. You can do that if it was a video. If it was a video, you can do that here as well. So this is where you put the primary text. Primary text of say, let's say come and buy. Let's say come and buy. Come and am I typing the right thing? It's not even showing. You can also click that here. So you see come and buy here at the discount price. Yes, the thing is reloading, right? And you can see my text here. Come and buy here at a discount price. So you'll be seeing every change you are making here, you'll be seeing it here. So you write whatever you plan to write, and we are a clothing store, good with this, that, good with this, good with that. So you put all of your copy here that will attract people. Everything you have to say, you have to put that here, right? So once you put that there, you'll be seeing the review. This is exactly how our ads is going to show. All of this that is showing. You see this thing name here. You see learn more. You see learn more you are working with. You see there. You can also select what you want to be there. You put the write up here. Then for this website URL, because we want to send people to that page, right? So we'll put the link of wherever you are sending people to. If it's a link, a sign up page, you put the link here. Guys, don't worry, this thing is super easy. It's just practice, right? So don't even think it's hard. So you put in this case, you are putting instagram.com/ tell me the name of the username of that your page. Instagram.com/ what's the name of that your page? Olamide, are you here?
Hello? Yes, I'm
Yes.
here. I'm here.
The name of your page is what?
It's not a business page, oh. Doesn't matter.
Okay, you even have plenty work to do. Until you have to have a business page. But tell me the name of the page you are using now.
Oh, wait. It was just an imaginary thing, oh. Like,
It's
I'm
fine.
not
It's fine.
running a
No, it's fine.
business.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just give me a name to put here. A valid
Okay.
name. So maybe give me your IG page name.
AM underscore
AM. Oh,
underscore. Yes,
don't
AM.
worry. I'll be having issue with that. Don't worry. Let me just put my own. I am Kingsley CC. So because it has to be valid. If not, if you still keep seeing that I am Kingsley CC. So that's my IG handle. So it's valid. So let's go up here again. No, here this time. Can you see that error message you've been having here, that red stuff, it has gone. That's because we fixed why it was telling us that we need to put a URL there, and we've done that already. So cell is missing for this page. Your landing page view won't be tracked because the Facebook doesn't have a pixel. So this is no issue. So just like I said, that I talked about conversion ads, and I was trying to highlight the fact that there are certain things, pixel and the likes, that people usually pick in, used to track. So when people visit their page, that's digital marketing stuff, like it's serious stuff, different Google analytics and the likes. But then that's optional. So if it was a page that had pixel, this error won't be there. So pixel are the things that Facebook gives you to input on your website's back end that helps you keep track of who visited and all of that. So this one is not necessary for us. We can close it. Display link. So just like I said, everything you are doing here will be showing here. So let's put a display link. Display link, you can say hair spots. SPOT. Just like as you are doing all of those things, you'll be seeing them here. If you still hear that you entered is not well formatted or not valid, Instagram.com/impcc. Did I say yes? But I'm supposed to drop a link. Sorry. Not so it's optional actually. You can decide not to put it. So it's supposed to be a link, not a name. I'm supposed to maybe build that same Instagram.com/IamKingsleyCC there, but it's optional. There is call to action, which is called CTA. So you decide what you want to be there. Request time, see menu, shop now, get offer, contact us. Do you understand? So if you sign up, you may want to put it there. So for what we are trying to do, which is to get people to um get that offer of the Valentine dresses, right? So you can just say um maybe see menu. You could say see menu, you could say get offer. So let's say get offer. Get offer sounds good to me. So we have our all everything we want on this place, right? Conversion tracking. Can you see the conversion I talked about and Facebook pixel? All of these things you shouldn't tamper with it. So you don't make your everything every other thing here is optional. So all you just need to do is now click publish and your ad is over. I can't click publish. All we just did is beg. So I think we're good. So this is all that running ads entail. Hmm? As simple as this. You move from your campaign to your ad set, which is young ladies, and then to your ad copy. So guys, we are done with this. So I want to quickly share the trick I talked about. So let me close this. Are we good? Does anybody need me to explain something here? Oh my god, have I closed it? No, I've
No,
not.
no, no.
Okay, so I believe you guys will go through it and then maybe hit me up with questions much later. So let me quickly go on to that. Where is that? In insights. Okay, so this is what we are this is where we are going to. This three dots was where I clicked on, and we are going to audience insights. Audience insights. Why is my network slow? So are we doing everyone on Facebook? People connected to your page, of course, everyone on Facebook. So this is the location. Of course, we are not doing US. So move that. We are doing Nigeria. Okay, should we do US? I don't know anywhere, but let's do Nigeria so you can understand and replicate with other countries. So we are looking for everybody in Nigeria, right? Age and gender. Once we are sure it's a certain age range, so let's say 18 to what? What was that this thing? We did 20 to 35, but
Yeah.
we can actually leave out the age range because we are clueless. We are assuming we are clueless. We don't know what we want. So we are leaving it at all too. Then is in interest now we'll now start doing the magic. So people who are interested in hair products,
Yes.
hair products. Okay, so you can do this search based on pages, based on anything. But since we are doing so, this is demograph. So this thing is telling us now that people who are interested in hair products, 65% of them are women, 35 are men. Hmm?
Yeah.
Can come down and look at their relationship status. Most of them are singles. So this can help you
Mm-hmm.
begin to define how you who you target when running your ads, right? So we have the ones that are in relation, but most of them are singles. Educational level, their least educational level is college. So they went to universities. They went to secondary school rather, right? So we have that. We have job titles, healthcare and medical services, community, and so all of these things might be what you have. Most of them in management. Can you see? So this could determine keywords you type in when you are in that demograph and filling all of those things, right? Page likes. You can come here and know the kind of page you are following more. Clothing brands, baby good skin, the shop Vile, Surfing, Royal Hairs, Pinkberry Nigeria, Maggie, so Visco, Woman NG. So you can see the pages they are following. Let's check their locations. Yeah, most of them is okay. Let's go. Let's see all. Let's do see all. So you can see where do we have most of them are in Lagos. Lagos, Washere. Lagos we always represent. They have most of them in Lagos. We have some of them also in Ibadan, in Ogun State or your state. You get so you can use this kind of thing. If somebody is in Germany and say I want you to run ads on me, you cannot end up just being clueless. But those guys, their data are more precise than our own in the sense that they always put their real stuff, their real age, real everything. But here, many Nigerians, they've not even updated. Some of them are married, but their profile is still single and all of that. So let's check activity, lifetime, frequency of activity. You can see that the device users, which device do they use more? You can see that most of them use mobile only. Mobile. Android, 84%. So all of these things can help you run ads. This is where you can have a clue, at least to an extent. You can save, you can. So all of this is help you have a clue or a view, a perspective of whatever you are working. So if it's an unfamiliar ground, something you've not done before, you may want to come here, especially if there are other countries. You may want to come here and say, okay, and then maybe the address and it's within a certain place, and then you think about it and say, people will not drive so miles to my place. So let me put a city. So you might want to put a city here. Let's even put Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria. Let's do this one. Let's see Lagos. Awesome. Lagos, Nigeria. We still have that heading. So let's go to the demographic. You can see we have 67% women. We have men. So this thing helps us with that. We have singles. More of them are singles. College as well. So you can see some of these pictures. Feature management. So this helps you if you don't have, if you like when I ran ad for and some guys in Australia. This was all I did. I came here, I picked some of this, and then I collected some data still from them. Right. So that one helps. So this is much how to start from scratch with your customer avatar if you don't have a clue and it's not something you can easily pick up. However, that customer personnel we created, right? Those things they're not just gotten from just mere imagination. Sometimes you have to do polls. You have to share questionnaires and gather people's perspective. Do you get? So getting, for instance, those
Yeah.
fears that were mentioned as regards those products, you can do a questionnaire and say, what was your turn off for skincare products or hair products? Somebody can tell you, the size, the quality, I need this thing written on the product. Those ones that they write on this, those ones they sell on the roadside. You get, so those are the data you now gather and say their fear is buying this, fear is buying, but you gather the information around. Do you understand? So those things sometimes are
Yeah.
gotten through questionnaires, just in case you are working with a big brand. You have to come up with questionnaires that will hit those targets. So those headers you saw, like those headers you saw as per fears, this, that, they are just guide. So you now walk around questions that will give you, that will trigger people to give you those answers, right? So you come up with questions that will make people do give you those answers. But if you're not giving them questions that make you explore those angles, that's their fears, their ingenuities, their goals, and all of those things, then you might not get those answers, or you might not be able to fill all of those spots. So, guys, I think we've come to the end of today's class. Gracias. I hope you all understood all my merry-go-round, right? Are we there?
Yes, we are. We
I'm
are.
Yes,
sure
we are.
I'm already sharing grace. So, so guys, what do you all think? Any question? Any addition? I know you will definitely have to go through this again, but then is there any question coming up to your mind right now? So I can quickly treat that. All right, then, in the absence of none, let's call it a semester. It was nice having you guys. Super amazing. I had an amazing time here. Although you people almost stressed me yesterday, but I will share the link to my gift. I think I will.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So I'll share my gifts. I'll do a small generosity. I'll share it to everybody. So I'll share you a link to no. I'll just send I share the link. I'll share a link so you can download a 30-day planner I worked on. So at least whoever decides to start out start out something on social media marketing can use that as a guide to start. So I'll share that
Thank you.
on the page for everyone to download. So I wish you guys all the best. I hope you enjoy whatever reason you are on this platform for. Please make the best use of it, okay?
Thank you so much.
Um, I'm always reachable on IG, on wherever. So thank you guys for having me, and I wish you guys the best.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Look at your voice, Peter. You're welcome, guys. Have a
That
nice evening.
that's not
Enjoy
my
the
voice
rest of your
now.
evening. Okay, that was not you. Eh.
That's Jeremiah.
Oh, Jeremiah, Jerry.
Good evening.
Yeah, Jerry. So you guys look
Thank
through it,
you.
and if you send your questions in on the WhatsApp page, once I'm free, I may be able to also touch on it. Once I'm still around.